Rice balls. Once upon a time in Japan, there was an old couple. They were poor and he worked as a woodcutter while his wife did the housework. Every day the old man went to the mountains to collect firewood. One day at lunchtime, he sat down in the forest to have lunch and was happy because his wife had prepared 3 rice balls for him to eat. When he went to take the first bite, the ball fell and started rolling down the hill, rolling until it fell into a very deep hole. He was sad because he really liked the rice ball and was hungry. Suddenly, he heard beautiful music coming from the hole and his heart rejoiced when he heard it.
Rolling rice ball, rolling rice ball, hum, 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 rolling rice ball.
When the music stopped, he said, "Please sing again." But nothing happened, so he decided to throw another ball down there and heard that curious song again.
Rolling rice ball, rolling rice ball, hum, 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 rolling rice ball.
Again, when the music stopped, he threw his 3rd ball into the hole and for the 3rd time he heard the song.
Rolling rice ball, rolling rice ball, hum, 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 rolling rice ball.
When it fell silent, he decided to go into the hole to see what he would find. When he got there, he was amazed. The inside of the hole was a magnificent castle filled with hundreds of bunnies on all sides. A rabbit older than the others appeared in front of him and said to him, "Welcome to our home, this is Rabbit Country, feel free." Some rabbits brought him various delicious foods and sang and danced for him. When it started to get dark, he thanked the rabbits for everything and was saying goodbye when the oldest rabbit brought a bag and said to the man, "Accept this gift in return for the balls you sent us through the hole. They were the most delicious balls we've ever tasted." Humbly, the old man accepted, thanked him for the hospitality and left. Arriving home, he told his wife everything that happened and together, they opened the bag he had brought as a gift. They saw that the bag was full of rice and she decided to make more rice balls, and take some more for the bunnies. The old lady was very happy to hear that the animals had found her rice balls delicious. However, the old lady noticed that when she took rice out of the bag, it immediately filled up again, like magic. From that day on, there was never a shortage of rice in the house and they could even share it with anyone who needed it. And when he went to work, the old man always brought balls to throw in the hole and listen to the bunnies sing.
Rolling rice ball, rolling rice ball, hum, 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 rolling rice ball. Rolling rice ball, rolling rice ball, hum, 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 rolling rice ball.
Hi little friend. See you in the next story. Goodbye.